helping to create a society where people and nature thrive together, and contributing to a sustainable future. At YANMAR, under the banner of YANMAR Green Challenge 2050, we are taking on 3 major challenges. Challenge 1: achieving zero GHG emissions across our corporate activities. Scope 1: direct emissions resulting from our fuel consumption and industrial processes. Scope 2: indirect emissions resulting from our consumption of energy. And Scope 3: emissions across our entire supply chain. Through these efforts, we are working toward the achievement of zero greenhouse gas emissions. Our ongoing efforts to decarbonize various aspects of our business operations resulted in a 50% reduction in our greenhouse gas emissions per unit of revenue in fiscal 2024 compared to the 2019 baseline year. Challenge 2: building environmentally neutral operations based on circular use of resources. To achieve ecological footprint-free business operations, we are focusing on the following 4 key areas. 1. Waste reduction and recycling. 2. Achieving a circular economy for our products. 3. Reducing water consumption. 4. Minimizing the use and discharge of environmentally hazardous substances. Our continuous efforts to reduce the environmental impact of our overall operations have achieved significant results. Compared to the baseline year, waste volumes per unit of revenue have decreased by 32%. Our recycling rate has improved by 6%. And water consumption per unit of revenue has been reduced by 32%. Challenge 3: supporting customers in achieving GHG negative and resource efficient operations. At YANMAR Group, our commitment goes beyond reducing greenhouse gas emissions and the environmental impact of our own operations. We are also developing a wide range of solutions that help our customers achieve zero emissions and greater resource circularity. In 2025, YANMAR launched Save the Farms by YANMAR, a project dedicated to protecting farmland for future generations. By combining regenerative agriculture with solar sharing, also known as agrivoltaics, YANMAR is creating sustainable value for both agricultural and energy production. Regenerative agriculture improves soil condition while reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Solar sharing generates renewable energy on active farmland. Through this initiative, we aim to help resolve key challenges facing the agricultural sector in Japan, including an aging farming population and the shortage of future successors. As part of the Nippon Foundation Zero Emissions Ship Project, YANMAR is developing a pilot-ignition, hydrogen-fueled 4-stroke high-speed engine for coastal vessels. Following successful land-based tests in 2025, sea trials are now underway. In January 2026, the engine obtained certification and a NOx Statement of Compliance from Class NK, a non-profit ship classification society. Hydrogen fuel cell systems generate electricity without emitting greenhouse gases, and demand is growing for them as a power source that can help achieve a decarbonized society. In 2025, we conducted sea trials in Australia of a vessel equipped with YANMAR's maritime hydrogen fuel cell system. In response to the increasing adoption of hydrogen fuel, YANMAR is also working on a project titled The Development of Marine Hydrogen Engines and MHFS as part of the NEDO Green Innovation Fund project. Going forward, we will also be developing technologies capable of supporting next-generation fuels, such as methanol and ammonia, aiming to improve cruising range and fuel supply capabilities. In April 2025 in Gifu Prefecture, YANMAR began demonstrating the use of equipment capable of efficiently producing biochar from rice husks, a process that will also help achieve decarbonization. In addition, the utilization of biochar as a soil additive on farmland will allow the stored carbon to be effectively utilized rather than being released into the atmosphere. In the Philippines, YANMAR has implemented alternate wetting and drying, a water management technology deployed to reduce methane emissions from rice paddies. In June 2025, YANMAR submitted its project design document and initial monitoring report to the Secretariat of the Joint Crediting Mechanism, JCM, marking progress toward the issuance of the world's first compliance credits in the agricultural sector. In December 2025, YANMAR concluded a JCM credit trading agreement with Fager Corporation. During COP30, as a member of the Green Decarbonization Overseas Expansion Consortium, YANMAR released a statement affirming its initiatives to alleviate the effects of climate change, deploy agri-food systems, and promote sustainable development. As a participating company in the consortium, we will continue to contribute to the realization of a sustainable society with our greenhouse gas reduction technologies. YANMAR's wide-ranging initiatives have been recognized with the highest rating for 21 consecutive years in the Development Bank of Japan's environmental rating system. Looking ahead, the YANMAR Group will continue creating new forms of prosperity through technology, building a future where people and nature coexist in harmony, and enriching lives in communities around the world. YANMAR Green Challenge 2050.
A sustainable future. YANMAR.